Hello there. This is the very first introductory video of business communication in general. The purpose of this video is to pass you the message, convey the message of overall what we are going to do step by step in a series of business writing. From the very beginner level to basics, competitive level, advanced, and professional, or the other way you call it, expert or specialist in business writing. Maybe you can later on do the analysis of any content that is in front of you. What we can say easily is business writing has a variety of concepts and subjects and topics on different notes and different concepts and different subjects. Here we just touch a few very important notes. What we can say is, if you work in an office or you do a very personal business for yourself, or you can say you work for others, so you may come along with these little topics of daily emails, notices, memos, that is called, on the other words, we can say memorandum understandings, MOU. The admin docs, that is a very, very general concept. We have hundreds of admin docs, and depending on the legal system of each country, then you have concept notes for different grants and different proposals. You have invoices, that is financial issue. I will not be very expert at that, but basically what we can cover, the basic concepts of invoices. Legal docs, that is between organizations and entities. Then PPPs, or PowerPoint presentations. We'll cover that very detailed. Finally, we go with proposals and grants. The importance of proposals and grants are much, much awaited by many people out there, and they're searching on YouTube, different channels. We will go very, very detailed, very efficient steps and very easy steps of how to write, how to start, how to communicate our ideas, how to propose some ideas to the fundraisers, to the donors. Overall, we will say every step of these subjects will go through a very consistent, proper psychology, different level of points, that is connecting points, the relation between ideas, readers, and analysts, and the connecting point between the fundraisers and those, the teams and groups, those need to analyze and understand your concept and understand your idea of what we really want, how the financial resources will go to the beneficiaries, and how the financial resources will be utilized and implemented to the grantees and to the places and targeted areas and people who are in need. And what are the needs? The other thing, we will go very, very step by step and very efficient level. How efficient can we work on these official business writing documents? And the competitiveness, or the compelling ideas behind each topic. So here in this channel, this series of video you will follow after this will come along with each individual topic for you to learn the very efficient way, easy way, completely up to your mindset of writing, from basics to completely professional level. This is a kind of ethical promise from global words. You will learn it the easy way, step by step, in a series of a couple of videos, not very much long. Stay tuned, stay connected. We will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.